Welcome to our channel. Setting up low data mode on global entry can help you save mobile data while using the app. Follow these step-by-step instructions to enable this feature. Step 1. Open the Global Entry app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account with valid credentials. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, typically located in the top left or top right corner of the screen. This will open the navigation menu. Step 3. Navigate to Settings or Account Settings from the menu options. This is where you can customize your app preferences. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Data Usage or Connection Settings section within the Settings menu. Step 5. Look for the Low Data Mode option. This feature reduces the amount of data the app uses by limiting background updates and high-resolution content. Step 6. Toggle the low data mode switch to the on position. The switch should change color to indicate it's active. Step 7. Review the settings summary to ensure low data mode is enabled. The app may display information about what features will be limited. Step 8. Exit the settings menu and return to the main screen. Your changes will be saved automatically. Step 9. Test the app to ensure it's functioning properly in low data mode. Some features may load slower, but your data usage will be significantly reduced. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.